Okay, so today is March 8th, 2022, and today is my son's birthday. I just woke up. Um, I woke up to a call on from Steven's cousin. They came and they brought me some, well, for Santiago, some flowers and a card for Santi. And then a balloon. So today we're going to try to basically do things that make us remember, that remind us of him. Today Steven might get out early from work and we might like do our routine that we used to do when he was in the NICU, because he was in the NICU for about 2 months. So we're gonna go in the hospital, since it had like intensive NICU care. They're pretty far. They're like downtown. So we're gonna go take a drive, visit his hospital and stuff. Then we'll come back. We wanted to do balloons, like a release of balloons, and like write letters on them. But it's a rainy day today. It says it's going to rain all day. Let me see. We might be able to do it. Maybe if it's not raining at 6, because it says it's gonna rain almost all day. We'll see what happens. And we'll do a cake, and then I also wanted to do like a little garden for him. Buy a little mini tree and like plant it. So I want to do that. But yeah, guys, today is his birthday, and today is all about him. Plus, it's trisomy 18 month. So it's a lot going on today. I just feel blessed to be his mom, and I'm thankful for everything that we went through, because that's what made him him, and I wouldn't change it for anything. The struggles were all worth it. That's my baby boy, and it gives us peace to know that he's with my dad, because if you guys know, my dad knew how to party, okay? And not like the drinking type, like he just knew what to do. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go shower. I don't know if I'll get ready, but I'm gonna go shower. And that's it. I woke up. I had actually woke up. No, I didn't go to sleep all the way until like maybe 2 or 3 in the morning.
And that's weird, because I normally just normally cry, just kind of
Remember?
this morning I was really thinking about him a lot. Like, even on the way to work, I was like, like normally I'm not.
I remember the first time que venimos, babe. Like literally the first time we visited him and then like you. When we were like.
When you were actually home.
Yeah. Like when I first got home, and then the next day coming here. I have a lot of videos of like me like getting, like pumping all the milk out, because I would pump right before you came, so I don't have to pump over there in the hospital. And then we take all the milk over there, and they threw my milk away since we never went to go pick it up. That's crazy. The traffic was worse when we would go though.
Right now it's not as bad because it's right before rush hour. Whenever I would leave work, like 5:30,
Yeah.
that was a hard rush hour. It would literally take me an hour just to get there. Right now it'll probably take me 30 minutes.
To get to the hospital? If it's true about like the animal stuff, que también están los animals with you in heaven. Era algo pasó allá. Okay, it was just traffic. No, something did happen. If it's true, then he has a lot of pets. I feel like he has a lot of my pets. Cause okay, remember how I told you that I kind of wanted to see a medium? Did I tell you that? Well, I saw a video of a medium talking to the girl that's saying that her grandpa had her 3 babies, cause she had triplets and she miscarried, and the medium told her like it's a show that like the medium is an Uber, and like she'll just if something connects, then she'll talk to the people who she picks up, and one of them was that she's like, your dad is coming through to me telling me that he has like your babies. He's like, what is it? What was it, like 2 babies? She's like, it was 3. And then she's like, yeah, she says that she has them all, and all your pets, that he has them with him. That's crazy. That's crazy to me. So like, I feel like it would like, I don't know, I kind of want to see a medium and like, if what they tell me, you know?
But you already know. There's not a
Yeah, but it's,
there.
oh yeah, I know that.
Because that's considered taboo.
Yeah, I know. But it's like, I kind of wish it wasn't that. I feel like it would be cool for somebody to tell you that.
This would happen. Wonder what, how would it have been different?
Huh? Yeah. Hopefully they don't charge you. We used to come from the other way, no? Because if I remember right, they only charge you for if you're gonna be there for like 1 to 2 minutes. It's different? Damn, that's crazy. I remember the first days you were like, let's park on top so you can go the stairs so you can practice. Yeah, como querías, you wanted to leave already. Like from my mom's. Because we couldn't go scan to pay for parking. It didn't used to be like that. I bet you remember what floor we were in? Look, there's a guy right there. He probably had his baby already. I don't remember. The valet parking was nice. That's crazy. Pues por aquí andábamos all the time. Aquí nos parqueaba nuestro carro. Because we would go to valet parking. I just threw up outside because the baby was kicking me. No, I think what I ate. I think I ate this yogurt, this gobachi yogurt, and I don't think it was good. It's not the first time that I throw up here. Hey babe, whenever I threw up here before in this hospital, I think. But yeah, I feel better now that I let it out.
Tell me, what does it look like in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Does the sun shine bright forever? Have your fears and your pain gone away? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing since you left. And here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. Oh, I hope you're dancing in the sky, and I hope you're singing in the angels' choir, and I hope the angels know what they have. I bet it's so nice up in heaven since you arrived. So tell me, what do you do